Hi, welcome to Alan Zhong Idea Art. Today I will show you how to use oil pastel to paint a beautiful landscape. Before start, this technique will hopefully help you to be able to use your oil pastel and manipulate them in the way you want to create your artwork. These are very simple, so just follow along with me and let's get started. The tool that you will need for this painting. First, I'm using this Pancho 48 colors oil pastel. Paper. This is just paper out of my sketchbook. You need pencil, color pencil, and I always like to have a paper towel just in case your oil pastel get a little dirty. You can use your paper towel to kind of clean off those other colors. Pen knife and cotton buds. Once you have your shape drawn on, let's get started. Choose your colors. Need a white, gray and black. So you need a dark color and a light color and then whatever other color you want. Let's get started. The first technique we're going to be using is mixing blend. Blending a color into white, and I'm going to be using heavy pressure on it. You can start on the left or right, it doesn't really matter. Let's go ahead and start on the right, and when we blending into other colors. It works best if you use the dark color first and lighter color after. It's so press hard and then slowly press lighter as you go this direction. Then take your white and make sure the clean, and I like to stress when I do this and just go into the gray. We are going to do a second technique called scratches tool. Put your color on first. After that, I'm going to grab a darker red. Okay, and then take a pen knife, whatever you're gonna use to scratch into it, and go ahead and scratch into it. It will make some highlight effect or some design texture you want to in there. Third technique, pressure blend. Now I'm going to show you a pressure blend, but we're going to be using a paper towel or cotton bud. Let's say we start with blue. From blue to red and red to orange. You can also use your finger to do this. I'm just gonna use a paper towel, fold it into a long tube. Then you fold it in half. Then this corner right here is kind of good for me to applying this technique. I like to shred this color with paper towel when I do this. So it's just nice smooth transition. Or you can use cotton buds for small area like here. Okay, let's go over the different techniques we just learned. Color mixing blend, scratches tool, and pressure blend. Okay, now let me start the demo how to paint a landscape with oil pastel. done the beautiful landscape. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe my YouTube channel. With your support, I will continue make a good art learning video for you. Write down your comment. Give me your suggestion. Goodbye. See you again.